Hey guys, thanks for watching. For this video, I want to do a taste test for the Kitchen Table Bakers Parm crisps. Okay, so I have two flavors right here. I have Italian herbs, and I also have everything. That's what it says. This is everything. Now the Parmesan crisps, if you don't know, are zero carbs. It's mostly cheese. What they do is it takes some cheese, melt it in the oven, and then eventually it gets hard and it's almost like chips. I really like them. I always buy the ones from Costco, but they're so strong, and they have it seems like they have so much salt that you can't really eat too much. It's not like chips where it's kind of nice and balanced, but they're definitely a keto-friendly snack, and they're good to have. The biggest problem is they're crazy expensive. Each one of these is 3 ounces, and it's almost $8. So just imagine that. So it's almost $2.50 per ounce. It's crazy. But I bought these because I want to do a taste test for you guys. I want to let you know if it was worth the money. So I'll start out with the everything flavor because I'm assuming that's like the original flavor. So this package is 3 ounces, which is 6 servings. Each serving has 6 grams of fat, 0 carbs, and 7 grams of protein. So 7 times 6 is 42, right? So 42 grams of protein. That might be kind of high. 6 times 6, 36. So 36 grams of fat. That's nice. So it's a little bit high on the protein, so just be careful if you need to keep your protein down. I'm probably one of those persons since I don't go to the gym, so too much protein might kind of be counterproductive to what I want to do, but I'm going to try these for you guys. So this is the original flavor. They smell really good. It comes in little packages like this, and it has a bunch of little, it looks like specks of spices. So you can see that. So it smells really, really good, and it's making my mouth water. So I'll try some of these. That's good. That's really good. So the ingredients for this one: aged Parmesan cheese, which has parched skim milk, cheese, cultures, salt, non-animal rennet. It has sesame seeds, poppy seeds, garlic, and minced onions. It's really good. It's definitely something that I would want to keep eating, but the price kind of worries me because I mean this is more than what a whole meal would cost. So I don't know. I'll make a decision in a second. Okay. This next one is the Italian herb. So for the Italian herb, again, it's 3 ounces, 6 servings, and same numbers. Everything's the same. So it has aged Parmesan cheese, and it has oregano, basil, and parsley. Okay, so let me open this up so you can see. It doesn't really focus. Maybe I'm too close. Okay, so it doesn't really focus, but you can see there's some spices in there. It's good. It's a little more earthy. The taste doesn't pop as much, and it almost takes a little while to recognize what the flavors are. I'm assuming that's going to be the basil. Yeah, it does taste a little bit. The basil's not as strong. This one has the garlic and the onion, and it's definitely way more noticeable. So this is the Italian herbs. This is the everything, which has the garlic and the onion. And out of both, this is my favorite. This is this one is close to being worth the money. This one not so much, but if anything, they're worth the try. So if you're struggling with the keto diet and you just need something to snack on more, and you know without snacks you won't be able to stick to it, then try these. See if these can help you kind of fill any of the gaps that you might be missing from eating a regular diet. Definitely try the garlic and the onion one, which is it just says everything on it. Now remember, the ones from Costco are really cheap compared to these. And also you can make your own. You can actually just go get some Parmesan cheese, throw some spices in there, throw them in the oven, and just let them rest. So I'll make a video with those and see how you guys like it. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Check out my t-shirt designs. And also, if you have time, check out my Patreon account. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Bye.